This Hawk tutorial video will continue to cover the last step in the process of creating a data pivot visualization for animal studies, how to modify additional settings to filter and format the visualization. On the assessment landing page, click Visualizations under the Available Modules menu on the left side of the screen. Choose the visualization to finalize. Choose Edit Display Settings from the Actions menu to continue formatting the visualization. Click the Settings tab. The first 5 subtabs, Descriptive Text Columns, Visualization Data, Data Filtering and Ordering, References, and Styles are covered in other Hawk tutorial videos. The Other Settings subtab allows users to modify various aspects of the plot area, including the legend. An optional title field is provided and by default contains only the word title. This title sits directly above the visualization. The default text should be modified or deleted. The X-axis label field defaults to axis label. This label sits directly below the visualization. Modify this default label as appropriate. To enter an X-axis minimum and maximum, enter the minimum and maximum values you would like to use, separated by a comma. Otherwise, leave blank to show the full range of values. To merge descriptions and reduce repetitive text that occurs for some fields, check the Merge Descriptions box and indicate up to which field you would like to merge. Hawk provides default settings for other features such as plot size, plot padding, and background highlighting or shading, and these can also be modified as needed. Modifications to legend settings are made at the bottom of this page. Layout of the legend can be modified by changing the number of columns. Border width can be modified by sliding the number bar to the desired location. Border color can be changed by expanding the color square, selecting the color family from the color strip on the right-hand side of the color square, and then dragging the black dot within the color square to the desired shade. Click Choose when finished to save changes. An X location and Y location can be specified to move the legend to a different spot on the visualization. Alternatively, while still in update mode, click the Visualization tab, manually drag the legend to the desired position, and return to the Other Settings subtab. Legend items can be added, edited, or deleted. Clicking the New button will open a Modify Legend entry box with 4 fields in which to add the legend name, symbol style, line style, or rectangle style that will display in the legend. Make the desired additions and click Save and Close. To edit or delete a legend item, you must first choose the legend item of interest from the drop-down list. Clicking Edit will open a Modify Legend entry box with 4 fields that you can use to edit the legend name, symbol style, line style, or rectangle style that will display in the legend. Make the desired changes and click Save and Close. Delete will immediately delete a legend item and will not give you a warning prior to the item being deleted. Once the legend items are set, you can change the order of the items using the up and down arrows in between the New and Edit buttons. When modifications to the Other Settings subtab are complete, click Update Data Pivot Settings to save updates and display the visualization. In the saved visualization, you will see that the title directly above the forest plot has been removed, the X-axis label has been updated, and descriptions to the endpoint units have been merged. For more information and for more Hawk tutorial videos, visit hawkproject.org.